PNC, America's Black News Channel. Watch us on all major cable providers and major streaming platforms. Finally, news that speaks to us.
All right, back with us now is C.K. Hoffler, former president of the National Bar Association. She is the chair of the board for Rainbow Push and counsel to Reverend Jesse Jackson, and also attorney Timothy Allen Simon, CEO of TAS Strategies, and former California Public Utilities Commissioner. Thank you both for staying with us on this important historical moment. CK, I want to go to you first. Many who watched this week's Senate confirmation hearings for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson shook their heads in disbelief at some of the questions that she was asked, yet some Republican senators kept suggesting that she was treated better than Democrats treated Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett as their hearings proceeded. First, the National Review, a conservative publication, stated that Josh Hawley was wrong and that it amounted to demagoguery. How do you see this?
Well, I think I wasn't surprised by the treatment that she received, to be very frank. I mean, every bit of experience, her background, and everything that she's done to be successful to this point in her life has pointed to these hearings. She was well prepared. She was well poised. This is not the first time that she probably has been under attack. It probably is the first time that she's been under attack in this way in front of the world, but it's not the first time that she's experienced this tremendous attempt at discrediting her on every level. That's what it is, in essence, to be a Black woman, to be a Black woman attorney, to be a Black woman professional, to be a Black woman who's achieved what she's achieved, to be a Black woman who stands in a class of her own. That's what it is to be in this position. So I think she was well prepared for the attacks. I think what was perhaps shocking and distasteful was the repetitive nature of the attacks that were clearly designed to put forth a political agenda. I think this notion that she's soft on crime, by the way, the late, great Thurgood Marshall, Justice Thurgood Marshall, encountered the same type of attack. And it implies somehow that if you're Black, you are soft on crime. If you're Black and if you're progressive, you're soft on crime. That somehow you side with criminals because as Black people, we just automatically side with criminals. If you're Black and a conservative such as Justice Thurgood Marshall, the line of questioning is completely different from, of course, conservatives. So this is a line of questioning that's mirrored. It's just in a modern day version of what Justice Thurgood Marshall went through. And he had looks of incredulity as well on his face when he was asked certain questions such as define what it is to be a woman, talk about critical race theories, talk about these books that are taught at a school. Do you agree or don't you agree? Some of the questions were ludicrous, just absolutely, quite frankly, stupid, but, and I digress by saying stupid, they were I was incredulous by the amount of recklessness demonstrated by some of the Republicans in asking certain questions that had completely no bearing on her opinions, had no bearing on her character, had no bearing on what should be asked at a confirmation hearing. But it has a lot of bearing when you're setting up a political agenda designed to prevail in the midterm elections or setting up yourself to become president of the United States. And quite frankly, I think that was what was at play. It was much less about the credentials of the stellar candidate and more about the political agenda being put forth.
Timothy, speaking to that political agenda, the Republicans certainly want to, take a swipe at Democrats through Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, but they went at it through sentencing for child pornography, something that is mentioned several times by Democratic senators, completely in the control of Congress to regulate. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson did the job that she was asked to do, given the sentencing guidelines. So why that tactic? Why hold her to task for doing the job exactly how she was supposed to do it?
Well, let me just point out first that I actually served as appointment secretary also in California, which included judicial recommendations. The attack on her sentencing and pornography was a very low-ended attack and a culture war, in trying to claim that she is soft on the sentencing of child pornographers. We have children. Judge Brown Jackson has children. And that is just plain ludicrous And it's complicated as well because of the internet and how you define possession and if that possession has been acted upon. And I believe that's what Judge Brown Jackson clearly articulated in her hearing and has been backed by a number of research groups in this area. Let us remind ourselves that pornography is the #1 downloaded content in this country, as tragic as that may seem. Hence, if someone has pornography on their phone, then it may not be something that they know. It may be something that is a result of cookies or other types of technological challenges that we have when it comes to privacy, quite frankly, in this country. And I think she was exceptional. It's very easy to just throw the book, lock them up, put them away. Where I think Ketanji Brown Jackson has shown her amazing judicial temperament and analytical capabilities is to take those tough cases, those ones that require you to put the blinders on and to actually apply justice based on the record. And I think that's what her decisions, over 500, have clearly demonstrated.
Well, we could talk about this for quite a while. CK, I want to thank you, CK Hoffler, former president of the National Bar Association, and attorney Timothy Allen Simon, CEO of TAS Strategies. I will say this to both of you before you leave. Thank you for your service on the front lines of our legal system here in America. And thank you for representing Black people in America for the accomplishments that they make. It's very important that we thank those who are doing a service for not only Black America, but all Americans. Certainly you both fit the bill. Thank you.